Altura 6-in-1 monopod tripod kit. Monopod, tripod, comes with some adapters here and some clips, GoPro. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Comes in a nice case. Ooh, this case is nice. Let's open this up. I like this pouch. Feels very high quality. Here's a little foot. Here the tripod. Oh man, these tripod legs are plastic with some metal here to expand the legs. But yeah, this feels cheap. Then you got the GoPro mount. You have your phone clip. These are quite standard. I've seen this design in a lot of other kits. Nothing to write home about. And then the extension. Ooh. Great. It's a little wobbly here, but looks good. And then you take this off. Here's the ball mount. The ball mount's also cheap plastic. And there's no clip, there's no plate. You just screw it directly on here. But I already don't like that it's all plastic and kind of flimsy and cheap, but for the price and for what this is, so far so good.